Kataka te po. Kia ora te whānau, my name is Pounamu Wharehinga. I'm from Te Tairāwhiti Whānui. I'm also from Aotearoa. I'm 15 years old and I go to Te Kurakaupapa Māori o Tūranganui-a-kiwa. This is my first EP coming out, Ahakoa Heiti. And also my name is Miss Pou. I've been singing since I was a little child. I was brought up in music, all kinds of different music. And when I was 7, I got involved with kapahaka, and that's where I found my passion and my love for music, and ever since then I've been singing. All of the songs I write are based off my feelings, so when I'm feeling a certain emotion I just write it down all on paper and I just let it all out, and then I structure it after and make some verses and chorus. So for example, I wrote my first song when I was 9 years old, and it's called Tūranga, and it's about all the tango whenua and ngā mahi kingano o te kāwanatanga. So it's about all the bad things that the government has been doing to tangata whenua and Maori people in Maori land. And so I just got angry and I just wrote it all down on paper, and that's how I write songs.
Hee-haw!
That was the first song that I had uploaded to YouTube, and I was getting a lot of positive feedback, and so I just kept doing covers, other originals, and people have just loved and supported me, and I actually hit 100k views. Yeah, it was actually exciting news to know, as I think I found out when I was 12 or 13 or something like that, and it was actually some pretty exciting news to know as a young girl. I want to be famous and I want to be heard. I feel like everyone's voices should be heard, and I feel like this is my way of putting it out there, and I want people to hear it. I think people should hear it. Kataka te po, ka whititera, ka mahara ke hito korenga, ka tangi te manu, nui ātane, hoki atura ki te po kere kere, e rangi nui, mana ki te amaira, i te tōtara, o te ariki e papa, tangi ara me he moana, kurai mata e aroha, e aroha, e aroha. Ka noho moke ngā uri, moto aroha e kui, ka warawara e ngaro atu ai, kei heke kurai mata e aroha, kataka te po.